Getting the Agile Cloud Manager up and running involves first creating keys and configuration that will be used as inputs for the example applications that you can start with as seeds for your projects. These keys and config are going to go into two files named keys.yaml and config.yaml. There's a very simple process for creating all of these keys and configuration, and the process can be entirely automated. But this series of brief videos will take you through a partially automated process for creating and validating the keys and configuration. And we're leaving some of the steps to be manual because we're allowing you to run these commands in Cloud Shell in Azure and in AWS so that you can run these commands without needing to have the command line interface CLI tools installed for AWS or Azure on your local computer right away. There are 6 subsequent videos that are very short videos that you can follow one at a time. We're breaking them out into installments so that you can follow them one at a time without needing to sit down and do all of this at once. It takes an engineer that's done this many times, perhaps 25 minutes to go through all of these steps. However, if you've never done it before, the first time you go through all of these steps might take perhaps as much as 45 minutes to an hour. The first video after this, which would be the second video overall in the series of short videos, will involve how to configure Azure. The next video will show you how to assign the Azure subscription owner role if it has not already been assigned by the automation. After that, we'll check to see that the Azure Active Directory Global Administrator role has been assigned. And then we'll make sure that the Azure Active Directory's Application Administrator role has been assigned. After that, we'll make sure that you're able to go in and configure AWS. And then after all the credentials have been created, we'll show you how to validate the complete keys.yaml file and config.yaml file that have been created to make sure that they're in an appropriate workable form that the Agile Cloud Manager's demos will be able to use. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.